Hi, my name is Giorgio Cracchiolo and I'm a visiting medical student from the University of Milan in Bergamo, Italy. And here is what is happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. Tuesday, the Swedish Neuroscience Institute will host our interesting spine case discussion series, and the subject will be multi-level corpectomies. Dr. Daniel Salin will be our guest Wednesday morning at our cerebrovascular Q&A discussion session, and he will address flow diversion for distal and proximal medium vessels. Friday morning, we will hold our virtual Spine Journal Club, and please mark your calendars for March the 16th, when we will host our 14th annual multimodal treatment of spinal tumors course. This course focuses on the diagnosis and multidisciplinary management of patients with metastatic spine tumors, including radiation, surgery, and pain management. Experts in neurosurgery, radiation oncology, neuro-oncology, medical oncology, pain management, and radiology will all present on the subject. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.